Hello, this is video number 6 of the Stretchy flower dress. I have completed the dress and now I'm going to be showing you how to do the single crochet border along the back opening and the button loops, which may be the next video, depending on how long this takes. I'm using a number E or 4, and it says 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. You could also do this with knitting if you like. I just find that I personally like the crochet border better. So what I've done so far is pick up a single crochet in every other V of the knitting along this edge. And then on the bottom, where I bound off stitches, I'm going to pick one stitch up in each stitch. So it wouldn't be each opening because that one's between stitches. So it will be this one. I feel that if I were to pick up more than that, the border would get bunchy. There, now we're already through those bound off stitches, which I picked up 3 in there, which is exactly what I bound off. So now I'm going to go over here and I'm back to going into the V's or next to the V. So there's the first one. Now what I'll do is I'll go all the way up this edge. So there's the one I was in, and there's the next one. So I'm skipping one, going in that next one. Trying to keep it snug but not tight. So I'm skipping one, going in that next one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way to the end, then of course turn around and do one more complete round. So I have 2 rows of single crochet before adding the loop. Now I don't know if there are any rules about buttonholes or whatever. I figure it's the back of the dress, so whatever works for you is fine. I'm putting my loops on that other side when I get there. So here we have a friend here. My cat is, frequently you'll see her in the video. She's a very jealous kitten. She's jealous of the knitting. Her name is Sasha. She likes to bite me for fun. She doesn't like it when I knit, which is a lot of the time. Okay, so on this border up here, this collar, it's a little tricky because of there's an eyelet right there. So I'm going in, I'm probably only gonna do, and then we have the 3 or 4 here I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do one in here. And then I'm gonna move that out of the way and I'm gonna do one in the very top. If I can get in there. Very tricky to get into that top, very top row. Okay, so I am going to do the rest of this. I'm going to come back in video number 6, would it be? I don't remember. remember what we're on, and I'll show you the loop.